Welcome to this video, and today let's just do this. Sit here and wait. No, I'm just joking. Well, I'm gonna be burping because you guys love burping, and if you haven't checked out my other videos, go check them out. Okay, so let's just go now. I just ate, so it's coming up a little bit. Yeah. There you go. Bye. One last smooth goodbye. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all later. And this is the final burp.
Goodbye.